Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send ETH on Kraken in 2025. Whether you're new to the crypto world or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you sending Ethereum like a pro. Kraken is one of the most secure and user-friendly exchanges out there, and with 2025's updates, it's even smoother. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Kraken account set up and verified. If you don't, head over to their website and create one. It's quick and essential for security. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallets section. This is where you'll see all your assets, including your Ethereum balance. Look for ETH in your list of holdings. Next, select ETH from your wallets. You'll see options like Deposit, Withdraw, or Trade. For sending ETH, click on Withdraw. This will open a form where you need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this address. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Now, specify the amount of ETH you want to send. Kraken will show you the current network fees, which in 2025 might include options for faster Ethereum upgrades like those from the upcoming network improvements. Choose your preferred network if multiple are available, like Ethereum mainnet, and review any minimum withdrawal amounts. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Check the recipient address, the amount, and the fees. Once you're sure, click Confirm Withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or in-app notification, and your ETH should arrive at the recipient's wallet shortly, depending on network congestion. And that's it, you've successfully sent ETH on Kraken. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and keep your private keys safe. If you run into any issues, Kraken's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.